Granny.
Welcome to the Wiroyi or the Mala Kingdom Eye and General Hospital.
I'm David Tate, the one who needs the haircut, and this is my gorgeous wife Kathy. So please come and join us as we take a walk through the hospital. First of all, we have the reception area, which on this side comes to here, and on this side comes back here. And so we have a reception desk here and seating along there. So then along this side of the building, we first of all have a pharmacy from here down to here. So that side is a pharmacy. The pharmacy is very important in a hospital like this because people, we want to encourage them to buy their medications here. And then the last area on this side of the room is a laboratory, where also another important part of the hospital. Kenyans love having blood tests for all the troubles that they have. So we have a laboratory here.
Now you may think that this is just a wood storage room, but no, it's not. This is the first of 4 consultation rooms. It will be lovely, I promise. And come over here, there's something rather special. This lovely ladder is inside the first of the 2 western toilets. This will be the ladies' one, and next door will be the guys. So we'll put that back. And as we come into the clinic area, down here will be another 4 consulting rooms and a minor theatre. So you can see where the windows are, that will be where the consulting rooms are, and this will be the minor theatre. And then we'll take you through to the real business area. This is where the real work will begin. Down here will be the 2 operating theatres and the storeroom and the sterilising room, probably all on that side. And over here will be the recovery room. And through there will be the ward when we build it. We won't be able to do that yet for a while. We won't be able to do the theatres, but this is where they will be. And here's another one of our famous ladders.
And see what we have here. Well, what do we have here? A big hole in the ground. And it is a big hole, I can assure you. And this is to be the septic tank in due course. Unfortunately, it is very expensive to construct, so we have to wait until we get the funds to do that. In the meantime, we will make an alternative arrangement. So come with me now, please. We have Job here. Job is the foreman, and he will accompany us on the rest of the trip. These gentlemen are at lunch, and they are waiting in the 5-star African loos. You can see in here we have a loo, if I can crawl over here, and they are crouch loos. Oh dear, very difficult for us Europeans, but the Africans have no problem. And on this side, we don't have a sleeping man, we have a wash basin so that people who come to the hospital can wash themselves and make themselves at home. So now, we'll move to the next building. As you can see, this is very much a work site at the moment. And in here, we have the power room, which will have all the power fittings in, plus the generator. And Joe, this building has extra steel in the foundation, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it has extra steel in there so that the vibrations of the generator will not affect the whole building. So then, last part of this last building is round here. And here we have the security man's room. We can go inside and he has room to sit but no room to sleep. For at night we have 2 security guards to keep watch over the whole place, and also another one during the day. In due course we hope to get an entryway from the main road you saw us walking in, and that way we will have 2 entrances. Swing round here. If we swing round here you can see the horticultural block that we are doing, where we are going to grow seeds into flower bowls. So Joe, would you like to join Kathy and I as we walk along the building, and if you can explain to us a little of what is happening here?
Right now this is going on with the roof. We are expecting to put iron sheet, start drawing it from in an hour to come. We have already put the pressure pot almost to complete the other end. That is what we are going to do before the end of the day.
Okay, thanks Joe. So we will now walk along to the other end, to the beginning again. And you can see that these windows are huge. So that will give good light into the rooms and also enable some air to get in. Here we come to the door, to the ward that we saw from inside, and the ward building will be in here once we have the funding to do that. So now we walk back to the beginning. The building is about 3,500 square feet in area. That's 350 metres in metrics. And so it is quite a big building, and it is very soundly made thanks to Joe's work. Thank you very much. So now we come back to the beginning, and here we are with the veranda, which will have a very nice roof on it, and it will look $1 million when it is finished. It will cost $1 million too, says Joe.
Yeah.
Just about. So we really appreciate you being with us today and hope you have enjoyed your journey through the hospital. That is all we have today, and one day, in a few weeks' time, we will be able to show you the finished job. Bye-bye.